Caution before assembling. 1. Please do not fully fasten all the screws unless you have completely assembled the product. Follow the steps. Fasten each screw by 90%, then adjust the balance of chair by sitting on it. Finally, fasten all the screws fully. 2. Please put the chair on flat surface when assembling. 3. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Fix A to B with 4 washers D and 4 screws C. For installation, please press the seat down with force to find the screw holes. Do not tighten the screws until all 4 have been fixed in place. The foot pads can adjust the angle of the chair legs to keep the chair balanced when the chair legs are in unstable contact with the ground.